Hello everybody, today is Friday, December 9th. It's 4:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's just 9 minutes after the regular session closed. You can see my computer clock here. We have the time and sales here. The last trade on the EMini SP at 22.59 1/4. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, it looks like volume is slowing down a little bit for the holidays, so kind of modest performance for the auto trader today. We have a few charts to show you. First up is the gold contract on the SuperAnko 6-tick, and this had a couple of losers to start. If I scrunch up the equity curve, we had a little bit of a drawdown here, really not much, only less than $150. And then it was up pretty strong, and then we gave back about half of what we made here, and then we had another strong upswing into the close of the session. So overall this did pretty well for the day at 1,000, trading 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the EMini SP on the 2500 tick chart, and this had 4 trades. It had 3 long trades, a small winner here and a small loser right at the end as it was stopped out at the close, so ending up 500 for the day. 500 is still 10 points in the EMini SP, or 40 ticks. That's very, very respectable. The auto trader on the EMini SP has actually been trading really good, considering after that big breakout day it did stellar, but we've had a few consolidation days, not really large ranges, but the auto trader is doing quite well on the EMini SP. Okay, next up is the EMini SP on the SuperAnko 6-tick, and this is the one that starts trading at 12:30 p.m. This has been quite a consistent performer. We had a very small loser to start out, maybe a loss of a tick or so, and then this stellar long trade that was good. We entered at 48.50 and closed at 54 1/4 here, and the first contract closed at 53.50, giving us 512 for the day, which again is 10 points and a tick, or 44 ticks total. That's a very solid performance. Market being just unexpectedly bullish going into the holidays here. Okay, another EMini SP chart, this one on the SuperAnko 12-tick, which is a bit larger time frame. And we just had a single trade here doing 450 for the day, so basically just shy of 10 points for 2 contracts, 9 points to be exact. So again, in the EMini SP, the auto trader is delivering quite well. Okay, last but definitely not least is the SuperAnko on the 8-tick chart, and so a little smaller time frame than the 12-tick. 8 ticks, each bar is 2 points in the EMini SP. The 12-tick, it's 3, and this basically had the same trade, going long right off the open, getting filled on a limit order, and closing at the close near the high of the day. And the market popped up a little bit after the close, but still, this did 850 for the day on 2 contracts, so that is a total of about 75 ticks or so. Really solid performance, almost, probably 18 points in the EMini SP, so this was a really solid move, doing 850 for the day here. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website and have a look around, or shoot us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thank you for watching today.